तो यो व्हाट्स अप, इट्स मी अगेन मैन। सो आज मैं एक ऐसे टॉपिक पे बात करने जा रहा हूँ। इट्स हार्ट ब्रेकिंग मैन, इट्स डिस्गस्टिंग। ये वीडियो आपको मेरे को गाली देने पे भी मजबूर कर सकती है। यू विल बी थिंकिंग लाइक व्हाट द फक इज दिस मैन स्पीकिंग मैन, व्हाट इन द हेल इज सेइंग, इट्स ऑल बुलशिट। लेट मी गिव यू अ perfect reason for that. So let's begin. At this point, me, I hate to be an Indian. Sound disgusting? Doesn't even make a sense. Are you angry at me? Let me give you the reasons. As you have heard the news about the Aravali, if you have heard or you have not heard, the mountains range below 100 meters are gonna be destructed. They're gonna be destroyed just for mining. Isn't it disgusting, man? What we have given to our country, what we have given to nature, nothing, man. But one thing we have given: pollution, destruction. We have destroyed every freaking stuff. We have destroyed the water bodies, we have destroyed the land, we have destroyed everything, destroyed the trees. We have just हम लोगों ने drainage, we have just flowed drain water into the water bodies. Poison. We have drained out pesticides, the freaking factory waste material into our water bodies, to our Gangas, Yamunas. What we have done, man? Nothing. We have cut down unlimited trees. Just to what? Build some freaking industry which throw some smoke to make our environment dirty, to make our air harmful, hazardous. What we have done, man? We are going to do one more thing. We are going to destroy Aravali. And this order is being passed by our great Supreme Court. See how intellectual they are. They are the Supreme Court, man. It's their order. What we can do, man? Nothing. Just we can protest against their order. So second thing I'm going to talk about is AQI. So as you have heard about or not, I don't know, but the AQI is literally too bad. Its situation is horrible, terrifying. You can't just even imagine how terrifying it is. Let me tell you. AQI of New Delhi is, which is our capital of India, man, capital of India, New Delhi I'm talking about. It's 282 AQI yesterday. And let me tell you the AQI of Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow. It's 397. Do you think it's nothing? It's nothing, man. It's like smoking 7 cigarettes a day just by breathing. 7 cigarettes can cause you cancer. Isn't it disgusting? Government is doing nothing. They don't know it's AQI, IQ or IQI. They don't know anything, man. What is happening in India is just corruption, true corruption. We need to raise our voice like Nepal. What has happened in Nepal, we have to do like that only. जो भी नेपाल में हुआ था अभी कुछ दिन पहले, just like Gen Zs ने protest किया था, we have to do that. But it's gonna be nothing, man. Even though हम लोग कुछ नहीं कर सकते, कुछ भी नहीं कर सकते हैं, but हम लोग कुछ कर भी सकते हैं. So let me talk about one more thing. As you have heard about or not, I don't know, bro, but let me tell you. Have you heard about what's happening to eggs? What's going on in the food industry? Like, so let me tell you. There's a channel in YouTube, Trustified, named at Trustified, owned by Arpit Mangal. So he's an honorable man for me, like he's the greatest man. What he have done is a great contribution to us while our government was sitting around and doing nothing. But he has done a great job. I appreciate it. So what Mr. Arpit Mangal has done, he has done a blind test over eggs. So what he have found? He has found a drug in it, an hazardous drug, AOZ. Let me tell you what he can do. What that AOZ can do to you. It can literally cause you cancer. It can destroy your DNA. It can just destroy your bloodline. What was our FSSAI doing over there? Nothing. jerking off. They were doing? Nothing, man. It's over. It's in FSSAI hands. It's their responsibility to check what we are getting, what we are getting to eat, what we are getting to consume. They're doing nothing. Man, this man, Arpit Mangal, who don't get any kind of funds to do his lab test by the government or the peoples, has done this great work. So what's he's gonna get? Nothing. Government has given nothing to him. But he has done a great job. Isn't this disgusting, man? Or let me tell you one more thing. Like some days ago, or I don't know when, I don't remember, like I've just seen in a post over there. Lionel Messi just came in India, and we have just built 70 feet tall his statue. For what? What Lionel Messi had done for India? Nothing. And on the other hand, Sunil Chetri was there, the greatest man, the honorable man, who has done everything for our country. What he has got? Nothing. Not even a 7 feet tall statue is made for him. Nothing we have done. Nothing our government has done. Even our government has just given him 7 crore rupees. Bro, 7 crore is nothing for him. What he have done for our country, man. He's a legend. Our country he has done everything for our country. But what our government has done? Nothing. Corruption, corruption, corruption. This is all the thing our government had done. Man, it's truly disgusting. What we can do is just raise our voices. भाई ये गवर्नमेंट हम लोगों की जो है इट्स लिटरली मेकिंग मी सिक. आप कहीं भी चले जाओ, कहने की बात है वी हैव जस्ट द ग्रेटेस्ट जीडीपी, वी हैव द बिगेस्ट जीडीपी इकोनॉमी, फ्रीकिंग स्टफ, 44 ट्रिलियन और 40 ट्रिलियन, व्हाटएवर द फक, आई डोंट रिमेंबर द अमाउंट और द डिजिट करेक्टली. व्हाट वी आर डूइंग विद दैट मच ऑफ ट्रिलियन जीडीपी इकोनॉमी? भाई घर से बाहर निकलो, रोडें खराब है, सड़कों में नाली बह रही है, हवा गंदी है. व्हाट एवर गवर्नमेंट हैज डन? नथिंग, मैन. न्यूयॉर्क को ले लो भाई, न्यूयॉर्क को, उसका EQI 27 था. 27 मैन, 27. मैं नहीं कहता हूं, वी आर नॉट कंपेयरिंग विद न्यूयॉर्क. आई नो हम लोग एक कॉलोनी थे पहले, वी आर डेवलपिंग, बट हाउ वी आर डेवलपिंग, मैन? 76 or 75 years it has been for our independence, and now also we have corruption. इसके लिए हम लोग फ्रीडम फाइटर मरे थे भाई. nothing we can do. It's all the matrix. What I'm saying, like, अगर आपको अपने बारे में केयर है, start working hard. Like, this country is not gonna last longer. Yes man, I think so. या तो ये सही होएगी वरना ये पूरी बर्बाद हो जाएगी कंट्री. आप लोग मेहनत करिए, पैसा कमाइए, और इफ़ यू कैन यू जस्ट गेट आउट ऑफ हियर और यू सेटल ओवर समवेयर एल्स. बिकॉज यहाँ की हवा ख़राब है, पानी ख़राब है, everything is bad over here. It's making you sick. So just work out, man.